All right, so we're now going to answer part C here. It says, if the value of P is 6 days, what will be the float time in days of activity H? So let's come up here. We're after the float time of activity H. That's what we want. We're also told that P is 6 days. So this is why it's important that you don't make too much of a mess of your network. As you can see, I've rubbed some things out just so we can have a fresh one here. So I'm making that 6, and now I'm just going to continue off my forward scan. So I'm going to have to go, what's 18 plus 6? That's going to be 24. 24 plus 4 is going to be 28. And then this way, it would end up being 18 plus 5 is 23. 28 is my bigger number. That means the minimum completion time is going to be 28. Now, I want to do a backward scan now, because I know that I'm going to need my LSTs in order to find the float times. I'm going to go 28 minus 4 is going to be 24. And then, remember, the aim of the game is I want to figure out the float time of activity H. So I'm going to go 24 minus 10 is 14. Now, once I've got that, I can figure out immediately what my float time is going to be. Because remember, the float time, that's not how you spell float, the float time is going to be equal to this number subtracted by this number. 14 minus 7 is 7. So that is how you do that. Remember, you want to take the LST and subtract it from the EST. And that is how you find the float time of something. All right, so now I want to come here and I want to say that the float time is going to be 7. Let's look at our examiner's report. There it is. The EST of H is 7 and the LST of H is 14. And as you can see, they just went 14 minus 7 to get their answer. And that's what exactly we have shown there. We've got 14, we've got 7. So hopefully that has made sense on how we have approached those questions.